Alright, so this is kind of a big box, but what is in this box is one of the most geekiest, ultimate, weirdest, feature-rich audio product that I think is on the market right now. And it's not a product that a lot of people know. So let's talk about that. I am talking about a machine. It's literally called a Raumzeit machine that has tubes in there. So we have a dual triode tube thing. I think it's per channel. There is DSP in here. There is, wow, now that's packaging. It has Ethernet, it has USB, and if I can get this out of the box, which I can, and it's remotely controllable. This is cool packaging! And as they said, better remotely controllable than the analog heat, which I have over here. And it has actually been sent to me because they saw my unboxing of the analog heat and they said, well, we can do this even better. So what it has, which is something that sounds to me more like a Voldemort thing, which is motorized potentiometers. So of course we all know motorized faders, but motorized potentiometers is really something new for me. You guys should see these locks, like how this is locked. I don't know if I can show this, but it's like, it's a wooden crate. Not sure if I get happy from that. It's an expensive unit and a lot of costs go in the packaging, I think. On the other hand, plastic is also not good. Look at these locks, like it really looks like it's from a boat or something, like an old pirate ship or something. Anyway, let's see what's in there. Oh, that's actually a lot. First of all, we have this, which are some soft rings, probably to put around it when I screw it in my rack. Very smart from them to send them, because I'm going to rack it and I don't want to destroy it. So we got a correct power cable for this side of the ocean. Oh wow, this is a real high-end experience actually. I like this cleaning thing. I'm always laughing when I make these videos because you guys like to see it, but I think that it's not, I mean, it's just a box. You're just unboxing something. But they did it at least in a way that I have to show something. So, quick start network connection. Now, normally I throw these manuals away, but I think that I'm going to need this. They actually warned me for this, that it's like you have to connect it over the network over Ethernet, which I'm actually very happy about because USB is not a professional connector. Most of all not if you're having like a lot of racks and like a bigger studio. You don't want to connect everything over USB. Now this is the normal user manual. Anyway, let's get that thing out of this box. And that's the weird thing, like it's a one-time usage, the box. Because if I transport a unit like this, I wreck it. Wow, this is one big display. I thought it was like something with lights, but it's an LCD, I think. Okay, so we have some rotaries. Ooh, I really like it how it feels. They feel a bit harder to turn, but I think that is because of the servos that are on there. We have a checklist that everything is checked on this unit. On the back we have inputs on XLR, which is a stereo input, which is a bit shitty on analog because I only want to use one aux, so I should make a cable for this. And we have output on XLR, Ethernet and USB. Alright, so let's get this box here out of the way. And that was it for the beautiful box experience, because you never need a box like that anymore. So let me hook it up to the power and let's see what happens. So I have it set up now. And it's really easy. You have to run the audio analog in it, analog in, analog out. As far as I know, there's no ADDA converter in there. So it's not like a plugin that you connect over USB like I did with the analog heat. And I also have the Ethernet setup. For Ethernet, you have to keep in mind that it's Ethernet. So it's a bit more difficult to set up, but they help you with the paper that you get with it. This one, the quick start guide, everything is in there. And they also have a phone number on there, which you can call as soon as it doesn't work. But I got it set up pretty quickly. They have their own plugin, but as soon as I change settings in here, it changes settings on here as well, on the fly. I click it, I say toilet room. What? Did that just happen? Yeah, that did just happen. Motorized potentiometers, which honestly, I was expecting this 10 years ago already. Now it also works the other way around. So if I turn my knobs here, so density, it changes it almost immediately. Like I don't even see latency or feel latency. It changes it immediately in the plugin. Now the plugin, there's no audio that runs through the plugin. Plugin is only for controlling it. Now if I close my session and open it again, it will automatically reconfigure the settings that are on here. Which is so cool. So that means that I don't even need to record the result of this reverb back into Reaper anymore. And that I can on the fly change something. What I really like already is the fact that I have buttons on here and no menus to walk through. There's a display on here which is really, yeah. From what I can see right now, they could have also gave me an input and output view, but this looks cool. It looks really spacey and that's also what it is. It's from another world. Now let's run some vocals through it so you guys can hear this thing a bit better.
It was an unexpected turn, meeting someone who gave my heart a 3rd-degree burn. You might have seen this place before, but for me being a debutante, it's a little bit unsure. So you must understand, if I try to get the lay of the land, it's a lot to take in. Can't seem to read your face, don't know where to begin. Yeah, I'll be your getaway driver if you provide the wheels. Reference, but a ton of guts to make amends. I won't be a victim of circumstance. Gonna figure you out somehow. Well, I'll be your getaway driver if you
First short and quick and dirty conclusion from the unboxing is, whoa, I think it's 2,500 euros I think to buy new. But I think already that is worth it. It's really, I don't have anything to say actually. I'm a bit speechless from this. I don't know if that comes across in the video, but it's a really good machine. Really thought out, really 21st century, which I miss in a lot of audio equipment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my rack next to my other reverbs, and I'm going to use it for a few weeks and give you my conclusion then. So if you're interested in seeing that or seeing something else, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you like my videos and want to support me in return for some extra content, then you can do that on Patreon, which I'll link over here. More of my videos are linked over here. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching, keep pushing, and bye bye.